Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to see something interesting. Can we generate AI images without using the internet? Yes, we can. Let's find out how. First, let's gather some information. We can use a browser or an AI assistant for research. I am using a browser. Why this tool? Among many tools, the WebUI I like the most is Stable Diffusion WebUI, because it is basic, powerful, and easy for beginners to understand. So let's download the required tools and the code base. Installation can take a few minutes to even hours, depending on your system performance. While it installs, we can choose and download a model. You can download Stable Diffusion models from Hugging Face or Civitai. The links will be in the description. Now let's understand Stable Diffusion in a simple way. Stable Diffusion is like a guessing machine. It starts with random noise and step-by-step guesses the correct image. That is the core logic. Now let's open the WebUI and try it. Before that, the downloaded model must be placed inside the checkpoint folder. I know what you might be thinking. Bro, I already use tools like DALL-E or GPT. Why should I use Stable Diffusion? Advantages. Here are the advantages. Unlimited image generation. Full control over settings. Better privacy and security. No risk of data leaks. Disadvantages. Some disadvantages. No memory like GPT. Output accuracy depends on your prompt. You need to install add-ons manually. Steps. How many times it refines the guess. CFG. How strongly it follows your prompt. Sampler. The method used to guess the image. If these are set incorrectly, speed decreases and quality drops. A minimum of 4 GB dedicated GPU is recommended. Best settings for 4 GB GPU. Here are the best balanced settings. Steps 20 to 25. Sampler DPN++ to M Karras. CFG Scale 6 to 7. 5. Resolution 512 x 512 or 512 x 768. Going beyond this gives very little quality improvement, but takes much more time. 3 common mistakes people make. Copy-pasting prompts without understanding. Thinking higher steps means higher quality. Ignoring GPU limitations. Avoid these, and you can generate better images efficiently. Go ahead and try it yourself. The output images are in Google Drive. The link is in the description. Don't forget to subscribe and share your suggestions in the comments.